come along and look at our garden and notice the raccoon we call Rocky, and Sneaky Snake shows up later.
He's looking at you while he's reaching. Cleaning the thing off. There's the mockingbird to your left.
Hey, Rocky. Rocky. What are you doing?
Okay, tell me, what is that in your hand?
I've got this tool that I bought for about $10 or something, and it snaps snakes. It's got soft little snake snappers.
And why do you want to snap a snake?
Well, I thought I'd get this snake. He's up here, and he's going down in this bucket that I just hung up here. Let's see.
Can you see him?
You might be able to see him over here. Yeah. Okay. Can you see that little snake up there? Yeah. Hey, there's his head.
You see his head?
Yeah. You just grab these snakes like this. See how that works? Oh, he's got his neck snapped back so he can snap at it.
Do you
See,
want me to
he's
take
getting
this so
extra
you
length.
can...
Yeah, he's getting his extra length ready.
So, are
So
you
he
going
can
to get
snap
him?
somebody. He's got teeth snapped. Okay.
Well, we don't want to hurt the snake because he's...
He's not. He could be poisonous, but he's not. Anything I can tell. He's not. got a
Well, he doesn't
triangle
have the diamond-shaped head
or a triangle head.
or triangle. That's what I meant. Head.
Now let's see what we can do. You gonna snap that thing? Oh, what do you think of that?
Is he going to bite at it?
I hope not.
I should be over there. I can't see.
He's got a. He could probably shoot out about at least a foot.
Oh,
If not-
there he is. I didn't see him.
Yeah, let's see if we can snap him.
Okay. Is he holding on?
Oh yeah, he's trying to get down.
Is
in
he
the bucket
getting?
now.
Is he getting in the
I
bucket?
think so. I think.
Yeah.
No,
Unless it, no, he's
not
going
down here.
beside the bucket. Oh.
He's a strong guy. He's strong.
Look, there he goes.
Woo-wee. Look at that guy.
Well, maybe he'll just go.
Maybe he'll just go away. Oh, look at him, yeah. Hello. Ah, yeah, he's found a road.
Where's he going
He's
now?
going down there. He's up outside the glass. Can you see?
No.
Oh, yeah. I think he just had a meal.
Oh, there
He's
he
got a
is.
little bulge right here.
There he is.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably, oh yeah, that looks like a baby bird.
Uh,
Or a mouse. Or a baby chipmunk.
it's something.
He got his meal and then he thought he would.
Get up there and get warm. Yeah.
I think I'm going to quit videotaping. He's kind of getting out of my range. Oh no, there he is. Cool. Oh,
Yeah.
there he
There
goes. He's going headed for cover. He's just a little cutie.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's kind of. It's just a garter snake probably, or some,
Yeah.
or a rat snake, or.
Well, we'll put him on the video. See if anybody can
Let me get
actually
it.
identify him. Garden snake or something.
There, now I'm getting a real close video of him in the sunshine. So if anybody can identify this little guy. He saw me as a threat and he stopped moving.
Our little buddy is going down into a hole. He's found himself a secret hideout. Now he's safe. Yep, he's under the rocks. Safely living in a little hole. Okay, little buddy, next time we'll see you later. Bye.